Hi guys, welcome to the episode about bathroom. This is going to be fast and easy. In the bathroom you have to worry about the toilet, you need to worry about your shower or your bath. You need to worry about your mirrors and I have no idea how you call it in English, but this little thing between the tiles, you need to clean that too. So let me show you how to do that really fast. What I will use is one product for the toilet, the one that removes all the germs and stuff and bacteria. I will use washing liquid. I will also use vinegar mixed with water and a couple of sponges and wipes, and I will also use this. This is my old toothbrush. So check it out. We'll start with the toilet.
Come on.
Uh-oh, you caught me, a queen on her throne. Well, nobody likes to clean toilets, not very sexy thing to do, but every now and then you just need to do it. I use this product that in Poland is called Domestos. I hope you have some kind of your own thing. It kills bacteria, so it's super important to use chemical products there. Not all natural products will be equally effective. I use a sponge that I signed that it's perfect for a toilet, so you don't mix it and you don't wash the dishes with it. So you basically write with a permanent marker that it's made for toilet and you keep it forever. And I also use gloves that make me feel at least a little bit more glamorous when I clean the toilet. So what you do is you really need to wash every single piece of the toilet inside. Make sure you do it well. Don't forget to wash the toilet outside as well, and afterwards you need to wash these guys in at least 90 degrees. Just put them in your washing machine, wash them on highest possible temperature, dry them well, and they will serve you forever. That's it. Those wrinkles. Oh, it's you. Okay, good. Mirror. This is water with vinegar, half each. You know that vinegar removes lime scale, and that's the most effective thing I know. So what you do is you simply spray this mixture, half vinegar, half water, on your mirror, and then you just wipe it with a paper towel or toilet paper, and that's it. If it gets steamy, well, people say there are some ways of preventing this, but they don't really work. What I do is sometimes I add a little bit of fabric softener to the water that I wash the mirror with, and it helps, sort of. But I think it's just enough to simply open your bathroom door and it will be absolutely fine. Okay, see? Done. You again? You're following me, but okay, I will tell you everything. So now, a bathtub, a shower, and a sink, bathroom sink. How do you clean that? I use dishwashing liquid. This is the best way because it removes all grease and it also makes everything shine. So that's the cheapest and the best solution. You just rinse it afterwards and it's perfectly fine. Well, if you have a shower, that becomes a lot more complicated because of course you get lime scale everywhere. You buy stuff like this. I have no idea how you call it in English. The best ones you buy at the gas station, and these are the ones for cars, and they are the most effective. So what you do is after each shower you simply wipe it just like that to remove water, make sure it stays dry, and then there's no lime scale at all. But of course, if you already have some lime scale on the shower doors, you use this, which is of course half vinegar, half water, spray it, leave it on for a couple of minutes, wipe it with a paper towel, and you're done. What else? If you have a shower like this one, a pretty old one, you need to clean all those little pieces there and corners and all of that. So you do it with the earbud. I hope it's called earbud. So you basically clean it using this one. What else? Oh, of course, the kitchen sink. No, it's not a kitchen sink, it's a bathroom sink. So the sink, what do you do with that? You just take a cotton cloth or cotton pad, the one that you remove your makeup with. You put some straight clean vinegar on it. You sort of put it all over the sink and leave it on for a couple of minutes. Then rinse, wipe to dry, and it's all clean because vinegar removes lime scale, and it's super, 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 super effective. What else? I think that's basically it. If I missed something, write me a comment and I'll reply. Okay, boys and girls, now a fugue between tiles, as Google calls it, I definitely hope you understand what I mean, is the hard part. You need to clean it every now and then because it makes your bathroom shiny and clean, but it's a nightmare and it's a tricky thing. So what I will highly recommend you to do is use baking soda. You cannot probably read it because it's in Polish and backwards, but don't worry about it. So you just put a little bit of, well, not that little, a bit of baking soda, a few drops of water, and you make a kind of a paste thing of it. I don't know how you call it, but this is like a, you know what I mean. You just mix powder with water and it comes out as a paste. So here we go, just a bit more. So you mix it well, has to be smooth, and you will apply it with your old toothbrush. Here we go. Okay, so now you apply it on your fugue. There you go. Fugue as in Mozart's fugue. Anyway, so you can leave it on for a couple of minutes before you wash it off. Make sure you just rub and scratch everything really well. Okay, boys and girls, so after you wash the 4 most important things in your bathroom, you just wipe the floor and you're basically done. Make sure you will leave the doors open so the water can evaporate and it will be all nice and fresh. And if you hate washing your bathroom, check out my film about 5 things you can do every morning not to clean anymore. And there is a secret there about how to avoid washing your bathroom forever, and that's a great one. Thank you very much for another episode. Please subscribe my channel, and now I'm off to have a nice cup of coffee. Bye!